Hello everyone, we are second year BTech students from Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur itself. Our problem statement addresses the alarming rise in online financial fraud. Today, fraud is not just a financial loss, it is a loss of trust. A single unauthorized transaction can cause serious financial and emotional damage. To tackle this, we developed a machine learning based real time fraud detection system. Our solution analyzes transaction patterns, user behavior, and anomalies to accurately detect and prevent fraud while minimizing false positives. By combining machine learning intelligence with OTP verification, our system stops fraud before any loss occurs in real time. With this approach, we are not just detecting fraud, we are protecting trust. Now we demonstrate the first scenario, a normal transaction. The model analyzes user behavior and transaction pattern in real time. No anomalies are detected, the risk score stays low, and the dashboard shows the decision and transaction details. The transaction is approved successfully. Now we move to the second scenario, a suspicious transaction. In this case, the transaction amount is unusually high and the location differs from the user's normal activity. The model analyzes these behavioral changes in real time and detects an anomaly. As shown on the dashboard, the risk score increases significantly and the system flags the transaction as high risk. To prevent potential financial loss, the transaction is immediately blocked and the decision along with the risk indicators is displayed. Now we demonstrate the third scenario, secure user verification. Since this transaction is marked high risk, the system adds an additional security layer. An OTP is automatically sent to the user's registered mobile number. After entering the correct OTP, the system verifies the user's identity and allows the transaction to proceed. As shown on the dashboard, the decision is updated and the transaction is completed securely. In this way, all transactions are monitored in real time, enabling the system to detect suspicious behavior and prevent fraud before any financial loss occurs. By combining machine learning, behavioral analysis, and OTP verification, our solution secures transactions while ensuring a seamless experience for legitimate users. With its scalability and real-time intelligence, it can strengthen security across banking and digital payment ecosystems, helping build greater trust in digital transactions.